A coward tries to spit on a random guy's car. This is from Instant Karma on Reddit. This has about 30,000 upvotes. Everybody loves Instant Karma, Will, when they just see something get rectified instantly. Everybody loves that when the world just does the full spin.
But when will it become instant karma that is actually too negative? Like, imagine this guy dies.
No, that's not. I think
that's not karma.
Well, we need to see like the right amount of punishment. Like, it has to be equal, or maybe slightly more punishment.
Yes,
than
I agree.
The initial act. But anyway, this is a guy who's on a bike, and it looks like he's in England. And he comes by, he spits on the guy's car, and then bang!
Ooh, that's satisfying.
He gets hit immediately by a guy who sees it and happens to be carrying a bucket full of water, and he notices it. And maybe he's washing his car.
Perfect.
And he hits him square in stride and soaks him, and the guy's hat flies off. Spit, 1, 2, bam! He gets dunked.
And the guy just keeps riding off.
So he's wet. He's not harmed. I mean, he might be uncomfortable. But what do you think? Is this the right amount of punishment?
Yeah. Is that a mistake, though, for the guy who was riding a bike? Maybe he was trying to spit, but it ended up being on the car.
I don't know, dude. You're coming up on this row of cars, and then they run out like 2 seconds later.
Wait a minute. I just noticed that the car's parked in the bike lane.
Yeah.
That's not good.
So that's why he's spitting on it?
Yeah.
Well, I'm sure those cars are allowed to be parked there.
No. You would get a ticket.
No, he's in the bike lane. He doesn't go out of the bike lane.
Really?
Yeah, there's a shoulder there that those cars are parked on.
Are you sure?
Look, he's in the bike lane. Look, he never cuts. Stays in the bike lane until the guy with the bucket comes out.
Okay. Yeah, you're right. I think there was this one frame here where the car's parked right here.
Yeah, it's on the shoulder.
Okay. Well, yeah, then he deserves it. I was just trying to play devil's advocate.
Even if the car's in the bike lane, you're spitting on cars now? Why?
There's some people in Toronto that would do that.
Yeah, but okay, so you're saying you're cool with that? I don't think you spit on a car. I mean, what good do you get comes from it? Like, what? The person's not even going to notice.
I've seen much worse. People kicking the cars in the bike lane.
I've seen it too.
Yeah.
But anyway, well, I guess this does happen though in life, doesn't it? You put this type of energy out there, it finds its way back to you, doesn't it?
And why was the guy recording? This is very suspicious.
You think that the whole thing is staged?
I don't know. Maybe.
Do you think the guy came by a couple times? Like he had a history of doing this? Like he's been pissed at this guy's car for a while?
Mm-hmm. I want to know what's his story.
Okay. Do you want to scroll down to the comments? Maybe somebody has context for us. Cyclist is trying to be sneaky, spitting on guy's car, gets treated to a bucket of water. He lost his hat. He brought a loogie to a bucket fight. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know that anybody will know. This is one of those deeper investigations. Somebody's going to have to... Oh, there you go. Why were they filming? And why did they have the bucket ready to go? Possible answer to both. This guy does this often. That was my answer.
There's a source.
Okay.
Oh, hold on. Might be nudity.
Nudity?
I don't know. These links, you never know what you're going to click.
Well, I thought you were going to click on the other one. Why is he filming?
Oh,
the other subreddit, which is probably, r/why were they filming, where they will probably... Oh, never mind. It's just a general... Yeah. But they're trying to imply the same thing that you're implying.
Yeah.
Which to that, I mean, we can't answer that. Obviously, not in the context of this show.